Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going over to Bitcoin, but the CoinsKid crew. So if we do start to see a rollover here for Bitcoin and we lose this May low, then I think we've got a sharp correction here, some kind of ABC zigzag, okay? And my primary count, the fact that we've had an A, a B, a C here, and we're done and we're coming up the stairs is, out the window basically. So what I'm looking at as alternation right now is my secondary count, which I relayed to you many times, the A into the lower high B to the C will be at play basically. So I need to see more things in the charts that build, the possibility of that being at play, okay? But I still think that that will be a correction within a bull market, missing a final fifth wave, and it's only going to lead to opportunity. But it would lead to some kind of alternation here. So in early March, we did begin a correction here for Bitcoin. If you take a look, early March, we've come down like this to the 20, possibly impulsive, corrective. Oh, everyone's getting shaken out, then we turn around. That's the bullish count right now for Bitcoin. If we start to come up and take out that high just there, then yeah, this is a 1 into a 2, it's a shakeout, and then boom, 3, we come up the stairs. And it would indicate to me that that was your correction complete there. From April into May, we will complete 1, 2, 3. So that does still actually remain my primary count, okay, for Bitcoin. But obviously, we always have to have a second count. I've shown you this count many times before in the Discord and many videos, that if we do have alternation here, we should have had a 1 there, a flat 2 there, a 3, then a sharp zigzag correction here for Bitcoin before continuation. Now, why do I remain bullish here for Bitcoin? The reason is because we don't have 5 waves here. We only have 3 basically, a 1 into a 2 into a 3. What we need to see here is 5 waves to increase the probability that this bull run is over. Equally with many other confluencing factors that I've shown you over the years, topping signals, basically CKR 90 plus. We need to see the fear and greed up there as well. We've got to see a bullish divergence on the weekly for the DXY, which we don't see yet. So all these things always indicate the top of an impulsive move for Bitcoin, which we do not see. So this is why I do remain bullish on Bitcoin for the last leg, the final fifth wave, which will come very quickly and completely unexpected, because this is where all these moves always come from. Because I remember the sentiment way back last year in the summer when we had this flat correction. Now in the C wave, we're looking at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the beautiful bump and run pattern. I did relay to that to you. I remember, making videos on the day of the crash and everything like that, saying it's an opportunity, and all the naysayers, the negativity, the dislikes on the video, the unfollowing and unsubscribing and things like that. The sentiment was really, really low, but it was a beautiful opportunity that I relayed to you. And I said to you that this wave coming up, in theory, should be a third wave, and if it is, it will come up and take out the high, which it did exactly that. So in early March, I did anticipate that we'd have began a wave forward correction here for Bitcoin. But the trouble is that the real difficulty that I have, obviously, as you're fully aware, is pinpointing the absolute bottom. So there's a chance we have the ABC zigzag alternation, job done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, absolutely possible. If we see that, get the hell out, but there's also the possibility it's an A, a B, a C, a sharp correction before continuation. So it's all about this low right now. We're retracing to it. It is the May low at 56.734. If we lose it, yeah, I'll be buying back on the 55 EMA and this swing high just there for the the next leg up basically, where we see 5 waves. And again, if we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this last leg here, this is you get out of crypto card, you get out of Bitcoin, rotate into alts and anticipate a major bear market. Now going forward for Bitcoin, I do think if we start to see something in this particular chart, a loss of this green support line in time, that is a very, very bearish statement for Bitcoin. So what I'm anticipating, and again, there's no bias here, is a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4, however deep it is, and then boom, final fifth wave here for Bitcoin, the last leg in this bull market, followed by a massive bear market. And I think a clue to the big bear market will be the loss of this green line in time. So if we see that, I'll be shorting the hell out of it, getting out of everything and just buying the blood fear on the way down basically. So we do have, if you take a look at, there is some levels in the charts here. We've got a God candle back test at around about, where is that, $18,469, and then equally here we have a God candle back test at roughly 12k. So I will be anticipating that. And again, the loss of this green line in time, if it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes up like this, we have the A, the B and the C, then these are my projections down here for the big bear market for Bitcoin, okay, which a lot of people, they won't see it come in, but for me, after 5 waves up, always anticipate the correction basically. And it's the same, anticipation on the micro that I've anticipated this being a wave forward correction with the confluence of Chainlink. Really, really simple. If we take a look from June last year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Chainlink met all my targets, and at that point with the confluence of Bitcoin with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here as well, I said to you, this is not where you should be buying Bitcoin and Chainlink. I'm anticipating a macro correction, and I think that's exactly what we've got in both of these charts right now. But the final fifth wave missing is clues to the major vertical in the altcoin charts, and obviously the Bitcoin chart loading as well. But in time, please keep an eye on this green trend line that we've been holding since 2017 for Bitcoin, that we've been bouncing off every single time we come down to it. If we come down, bounce, fantastic, but if we lose it, turn into resistance, that is a very, very bearish statement for me. So keeping on the Discord, okay, I've not jumped into a long position just yet. I need to see more confidence in the charts. I still think we're potentially cutting this correction. Hope you understand that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. If you're looking for more content, get involved in the Discord. Take care everyone, back to another update on Bitcoin. Bye bye.